Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video problem set scenario in which my organization has asked me to keep a track for a particular month who are the employees who are being paid and who are the employees who are left behind that needs to be paid. So there might be a scenario like they have joined the organization in different dates and not on the first of the month, so their salary dates are different as well. So paid and unpaid, those thing can be filled just from the from the first day of the month, since their salary dates are different. As I have already told that their joining dates are not from the first of the month. Anyways, so if it is a paid, this is a color formatting. If it is a paid, maybe this person Anirban, he was being paid today. So today is by the clock, 15th of March. So I'll be giving it as paid. So you can also do here a count if type of thing, like count if, not count if, count ifs. It will be counting based on a criteria. So ifs in this particular range of cells, if it finds unpaid, then it will be counting it out. So these five are the employees who are pending. So this is the pending number of employees who are not being paid. So this is the master, or maybe I can name it as March, and I'll be duplicating this. So I'll be pressing, while pressing down the control key, I'll be just dragging it across in here. Yeah, fine. So after March, maybe this is the April, and this formatting is being copied here. So if I write here unpaid, it will be automatically adjusted, the formatting. But when this sheet was being created, there was no formatting. So how I did it? So to demonstrate the process, I will be selecting this range of cells where the formatting is being applied, and I'll be saying, I'll be just selecting this one, clear rules from entire sheet. Fine. So what you need to do is that you need to write the names of the persons of your organization and their salary status, the label for the second column of your table, and select this range of cells. And within this range of cells, they are not this range of cell, because the data is present from the brackets while the name is something which is the label. So I need to select from this range of cell, and now within this range of cell there will be some formatting based on some new rule. The rule will be something like that. Use the formula. The formula is simple, equal to this cell. So it will be equal to paid. So B2 means B2 will be checked for the B2, but the scenario will be the B column will be locked, while 2, then 3, then 4. So just I will be clicking on here in manually and remove this dollar sign. Alternatively, you can press a F4 key from your keyboard to change the cell references from absolute to relative. So here I am saying relative. $B means it is fixed, while 2 is relative, that is 2, then 3, and it will be searching for this value paid. But if it finds the value for the paid, it will go to the format section. Maybe we'll be giving paid means green. Maybe, okay. So I'll be going to the font section and making it bold. And okay, fine. Okay, fine. So let me check whether my data is working properly or not. So let me. Okay. So whenever I am inserting any value like paid in a particular cell, then the whole of the column row, it is being highlighted. Now comes the set scenario for the unpaid kind of formatting. So conditional formatting, new rule will be doing the same thing. So we can write it down by our own manually also, equal to $B2, and this time it will be checking for unpaid. So unpaid will be in red. So I will be going to the format section and then going to the field section, and then will be red, and then okay, fine. And also I can format. Okay, so there was something like bold in the font section. Fine, let me press okay, and okay, fine. Now let me write unpaid. Yeah, pending 1. So pending is 1. Okay, so here I have written count it from B2 to B15. Okay, count for unpaid. So 1 is unpaid, and what about, so this there will be something like, okay, so something, there is a problem with this particular formula, that unpaid are, so if B2 B5 equal to unpaid, ifs and if it is the same thing, B2 to B15, and it will be blank. Let me press enter. Okay, so somehow my computer screen is getting crashed. I mean, it's anyways. So I have achieved the goal that if it is paid, then it will be in green, and if it is unpaid, then it will be in red. And this penning thing is there is some problem, and there are some flickering in my screen. Anyways, uh, let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys, and